it's Holly here at hollygrace.ca, and I have a quick fun little video to share with you guys today. As you know, Easter's just around the corner, and I decided that I needed a fun little Easter pillow to put in my home. I have a huge thing for pillows. I love pillows, and that's why I was so excited when I found out that heattransfersource.com has just launched a bunch of blanks on their website. So now you can get blank pillow covers directly from their website. They're a great, gorgeous canvas material, and I like that they're that off-white. They're not that stark white. I love that they're canvas, and we are going to be putting a fun little Easter design on one of their pillow blanks. So let's just jump right into the project. Alright guys, so I have my pillow cover here. These pillow covers are 18 by 18. They're 100% cotton and they're really high quality. I'm measuring here so I know how big to make my design. And also I have all these really fun materials from Heat Transfer Source. They have so many different options for you guys. It's insane. I've decided I'm going to go for this pillow with this holographic HTV as well as this sparkly light purple HTV. Alright, so I already have my design already picked out. I grabbed this design from lovesvg.com. It's one of my favorite sites. All the designs are free for personal use. So I've just queued that up in my Cricut Maker, and it's cutting here on the glitter. Next, I'm going to put my holographic down. You want to make sure that you put the shiny side down when you're cutting, and always make sure you mirror your images when you're doing a transfer. Alright, so now it's time to weed, and I want to show you guys this. This tool is so cool, and I did not mean to rhyme there, but it's just so awesome. This is called the Tweedy Light tool, and this makes weeding so easy. Check out that bright light on the end of this weeding tool. It's incredible. It makes weeding easy, less stressful. I can see my designs clearly. I can see the lines. They're nice and crisp because the light shines right on the HTV. This tool is amazing, and this is a brand new product from heattransfersource.com as well. So that we have our design all weeded, we can press it on our pillow. I'm going to make sure that the zipper is at the bottom. I want the design so that the zipper sits underneath. So I'm going to just set it in my heat press here. Now my design is a little bit larger, so it doesn't fit perfectly in my heat press. So I'm going to have to do 2 presses here for the Snuggle Bunny cut, just to make sure that I get nice even heat on my design. I pressed this for 30 seconds at 330 degrees at medium pressure. And I'm just going to press the bottom just to make sure that that's set as well. Going to remove the transfer tape here, and then we are going to press on the last part of the design, which is the holographic hearts. I pressed these hearts for 330 degrees, 30 seconds as well, but I just made sure that they were nice and cool before I peeled off the transfer tape, and I just used a cooling block there to cool them down. I'm going to press everything again just to make sure that it's nice and set, and there we have our pillow. So you guys, this is a great little DIY that you can do with the pillow blanks from heattransfersource.com. Make sure you head over and check out their website and get yourself some of these amazing pillow covers. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.